there, I'm Alana. Welcome to my Minimalist Series. Today I'm going to be talking about what is in my bathroom counter basket. It's sort of like something that holds everything, all the loose essentials or like smaller items, right? So, out of the way. So yeah, so my toothpaste goes into this basket. I don't have a nice place on the counter to really put that, so that's what I do. Looks like this nasal vaporizer for dry weather. It goes in the basket. This sits on top. These are the things that I know are in this basket. However, it keeps filling up with little bits and bobs from everywhere. This is a brush Anna uses, my little 5-year-old, because she has really curly hair and it doesn't hurt as much, this sort of horsehair natural brush. This one is natural as well, but it has little balls on the end, and I like it because it really combs through well for my hair, but Anna cries and doesn't like that in her hair. So the Anna brush I'm going to put in a different pile. That can go into the other bathroom. So that one there, my husband and I both use this regular old store-bought deodorant. Like, we're not, I've tried so many natural ones, and please comment in the comment box below if you have had any luck with all natural deodorant and have found one that works. So yeah, these I just use after a shower at night to hold me over to the morning. They don't really work. Ziploc bag was for this actually, so maybe I'll just keep that. An old toothpaste that I could use up maybe in my camping bag. I'll put that somewhere else. More deodorants. Looks like I have to maybe give some away to a friend that might find better use out of them. This is like a mouth guard, I guess. Yeah, anyways, it didn't work and I didn't like the feeling of it in. Yeah. Extra razor heads. Little items, folks, that I don't want to put on my counter, so that's good. I'm not sure what's up with these, if I paid money for new ones, because that would really suck, because I'm a fan of Burt's Bees mascara now, and these wands for the Organic Wear Physicians formula were all silicone, and I think the little bristles weren't long enough, and they just clumpy in your eye. So that's no good. I'm taking them out. This, yeah, I use sometimes, but I'm switching this on my feet. It's such a lovely topic, but I mean, it's very dry in our province, and I do still want to have well manicured feet, but I even got a crack on my heel and I couldn't use this, so it can go now. This is what I will use instead, a sander. There's a lot of things when the kids are playing with things and they just like, it's getting annoying, I'll hide their little parts in baskets around the house just to not deal with it for now. But yeah, elastic band, that can go in my kitchen drawer. Hair cutting scissors, woo! Some Gabriel nail polish. I might be able to store that somewhere different because I don't think it should be here. I do use this trim tool. I wanted an all-metal one, and I got one before, and it was dull and didn't work. So anyways, this tool works. Floss can go in. An extra sharpener can go somewhere else because I have a sharpener. That's a bow for Anna. Doesn't need to go there. Nail clippers, yes, does need to be there. Medicine spoon should go in other bathroom. Don't need 2 of these on just in my everything basket. More mascara. Oh, I did buy an all-natural pencil, so that should actually go in my beauty bag. Extra pencils. Yes, for now, because I'm due to switch soon. Don't need hair elastics in here. This is part to Sam's hair trimming tool. No, don't use CoverGirl. Hairpins from the dollar store, black to match my hair. I use those, they can go there. Tattoo, extra brushes. No, extras should not be going in here. Floss, okay. Because we like to floss our teeth. Oh, there's 2 nail clippers, so one can go in a different bathroom perhaps. Too much gloss, old eyeshadow that I might give away. I'm so happy with Burt's Bees. Ooh, the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe tattoo. Another bowl, more floss. Yeah, floss, a lid, hairpins, and I can't get these out anymore. So yeah, that's to cover up imperfections, just if it's like a real bad emergency. Anyways. Wow, so that's gonna be a lot better because there was like a lot of dust in there too. So, oh, and by the way, these all shouldn't go in there. Just one doctor missed, whichever is the heaviest. The lightest one should go in to use up. These are just stored away. Okay, so now razors go in, scissors, trim, flosses, sander, deodorant, that's deodorant 1 and deodorant 2, and yeah, 2 eye pencils that I'm going to be switching. Well, my makeup purse is right here, so why don't I do it right now? There we go. Nail clippers, Toms, toothpaste, nasal spray, hairpins, emergency blemish control, cover up. The Ziploc is just for, I take that in my purse sometimes, so that's why, so it doesn't leak. There's my brush. So there you have it, folks. That's everything now, and it's not all neat and tidy for my bathroom. Thank you. Okay, happy Tuesdays. Remember to hit subscribe and like to Alana Shumka, my channel, and stay minimal, stay natural. Bye.